All right. If this isn't the thing that's polluting my indoor air quality, then I just can't figure it out. The heat pump got decommissioned. They vacuumed all the gas out of it and they backfilled it with nitrogen. It's sealed and shut down, so there's no freon in that system currently, or refrigerant gas as it's supposed to be called. But I'm still getting some positives on my leak detector. So I'm still trying to figure out. This guy is still showing me some positives. Is that because the sensor gets too close to the floor? Or is that because there's freon from the old refrigerator still here? So what I finally managed to do was get the compressor hooked up so that I could fill the tires with air on the dolly. I've got it strapped to the dolly and I got a pathway opened up. See, like, all this stuff takes effort because I had to unload that shelf and move it over. Now I've got the front door tied open, so I'm just gonna go out and then off to the side because I just want it out of the house right now to eliminate it as a potential. And boy, there isn't your storyline. Me using a walker and temporary heat. I've got some shoes on in the house, which is a no-no, to protect my feet so I don't step on something. Or like the other day, I cut my feet pretty bad. So I'm going to protect my feet today. I can't get it over. Fuck. All right. I can't get that tipped up. All right, well. Yeah, that's... Well, I got it onto the carpet and finally got it tipped up and back on the dolly, and I can't get it out the fucking door. So I'm going to pull the pins on the door, and we put this in here a long time ago, like in '07, so I haven't remembered what we had to do, but it looks like the door's too wide. Well, according to the tape measure, it fits. I took that blanket from behind there, so it's hard against the wall now. But we got at least 1 inch to spare. And I'm going to move my walker so I can come over this way and get a straighter run at it. Jesus. This fucking problem is not going to stop until it gives me the last little bit of grief, apparently. Oh, man. Need a minute. Definitely gonna have to take the door off to bring the new one in. My ratchet strap was hung up, and I was like, "You're going out, fucker. I don't care if you go out on your head, you're going out." So she's outside. So now it's just go down, step onto that concrete, and that's where I'm gonna leave it. I did it. It's out of the house. Finally. Okay. It's out front. So, no more refrigerator in the house. Now I have 0 refrigerators in the house. 0. There should not be any gas leaking now from, well, anything at this point. $155 is my heart rate. Yeah. That's the heart under a lot of distress. At least my oxygen's up. It's a little bit like an EKG in a way. You could see my heart rhythm on the bottom there. And my heart is really struggling. So it's outside. I'm going to continue, fans running, venting, and just sit here and rest and recover. Try to relax a little bit. Mop up sweat. Oh, I knew that was going to be quite a challenge to try to get out of the house, which, you know, you can have a fridge delivered and they'll take it out for you. And these guys all think that it's real easy to just move a fridge in and out. Well, I've had to unload this shelf and move it over. You can see where the feet were. There's no way we're going to make it down there. And then I've got heaters and rugs and shit that has to get moved. And now there's going to have to be some carpet cleaning done because there's schmutz everywhere. And this is not too bad back here. I had this open this summer and was going to put a new water line in. I have. Because this is what happens when you hire a repairman. They come out and they bend your pipe and then it breaks. And I've got a new outlet that's going to go in. Right here's all the new PEX that's going to go in. And hopefully I can tape it onto that old copper one and go underneath the house floor and up into the sink again. It'd be nice to have an ice maker. It has been decommissioned for too long. I had to go get my hat, cover up my messy hair. Alright, so it's January 26th. It was my birthday a month ago, and I didn't think I was gonna end up here with all this shit going on a year ago. Hell no. But I'm keeping tabs, trying to see, find myself a way to survive this shit. Yeah, the heart's coming down. Looks like my oxygen's not terrible. That means pulmonologist is not going to do nothing for me. That's what that means.